Hello, it's Andy from Andy's Amateur Adventures again. I'm going to head and show you how to install some door sills on your Ford Maverick. I got the OEM ones from Ford with no instructions whatsoever, just 4 stickers on a piece of copy. So, the first thing I did was I cleaned the door sills, and then I wiped them down with some rubbing alcohol. It doesn't matter what percentage rubbing alcohol, as long as it will take off oils and that way your door sills will stick properly. Next thing I did is I grabbed the door sills themselves and I removed them from that cardboard backing. The good thing is there are the adhesive stickers on the back of the actual door sill itself, and there is a cover so that it will not actually adhere to anything that you have to hear. So I held the door sill up to my actual door entrance and decided where I wanted it, and then I marked the edges of it with some masking tape. That way it kind of worked as like a jig. So when I